Gotta make sure I stay this juicy. Hi, I'm Bella. Welcome to my channel. Today it's me, Bella, and Cookie and Coco are gonna show you how to do makeup proper. We're gonna use some primer. Remember to pay your bills. Next, we're gonna use some of lotion. Just look where I'm putting it. And don't forget your little blush sponge. And don't forget to wet it so it gets that smear all over your face. This is concealer for under your eyes to hide the fact that you haven't slept for days. Corona. Next, we're gonna blend it. Face chocolate pilot. Today we're going to be using this kind of bluish and pinkish one. Now we're going to use the pinkish one. Next, you put on your mascara.
Yes, Queen, yes!
Next, your lips. You gotta keep them juicy. Today we're gonna be using this darkish reddish lipstick. And now, your contour palette. And now, don't forget your blush. I'll use a different brush this time. And now, don't forget to highlight those cheekbones. Now I'm shining like a star. Now we're gonna use setting spray. Now that I'm done, I could go eat some more. Why can't it stay still? Do you have any super glue? Thank you for watching my channel today. Don't forget to look extra fabulous. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! To take over all.
Stop.
Isn't this supposed to be a funny video?
Yeah, but this is a little, you have to say it correctly. Okay, now look.
I gotta hide the fact that this is my real hair. Oh Jesus, this is so uncomfortable. That's much more better.
Hold up. Let me fix your wig. It's kind of messed up.
And I got the brush. Gotta put on your wig. And I love my brother so much, and please stop the coronavirus coming. Amen.